Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shannon and welcome to my channel. Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with a few new lipsticks that she added into her lipstick collection. I haven't done like a high-end liquid lipstick in a long time. I've been more focusing on more drugstore product for you guys. So they are retail for $20 a piece and you could get them at Sephora or the Ulta website. Most of the shades were sold out, but I get some shades for our brown girls that I think gonna look really good on our skin tone. So these are the 5 shades that I picked up. They are expensive, $20 a piece, so you know I spent $100 on these 5 liquid lipsticks to share with you guys. Yeah, I spent a lot of money on makeup for you guys. They are matte finish, and this is the first one. The scent is a little bit strong. This is it. So this is like more of a purple color. Oh, so this one is Trust Issues. So Trust Issue applicator is a little different from this one that I just swatched. I rather the other applicator is more strong. This is like could break. So this is the third lipstick. This is more like a light brown shade. This is the 4th shade. And this is the last shade. But these are all the shades that I picked up.